Hi everyone, so today I want to share with you how to make these super cool DIY perfect party favors that are perfect for teachers, perfect for parents, perfect for parties. Make sure you stick around till the end. We have these in our Etsy shop and we'll give you a special code to use from now until September 7th, so you'll be able to print these off and use at your next open house, your next party, or parents, you can use these in your kids' lunchbox. So let's go ahead and go over some of the items that we will need. Now, if you have a paper cutter, you can use this, and this will allow you to cut multiple sheets of paper at one time. And if you don't, that's totally okay. You can use a pair of scissors and that will do the same thing. And we also have a paper crimper to make these look a little bit more realistic, but if you don't, that is totally okay. We also have a double-sided tape dispenser, but you can use a glue stick. You can get double-sided tape, or you can use regular glue, whatever you have, just so that they'll stay together. You will need the Goldfish 1 ounce packs that look like this. And then in our Etsy shop, we have 2 different versions of the back to school cheese cracker snack packs. We have, this is more like the pre-K, first, second grade, I think, when they're learning how to write their letters and learning how big to go with their letters. We have those. And we also included the cut lines because we have white at the top. So you just cut along those and you'll have the perfect size. And let me know in the comments, what grades are these papers normally used? I thought it was more around pre-K, first, second, but they may even go up to third. And then we also have the regular notebook paper, I guess after they've graduated from this paper, maybe third, fourth, fifth grade, maybe. So we have the regular notebook paper. But like I said, these are perfect for the teacher who is getting to know who her new students are. It was so exciting how, I don't know if they still do it like that today. You go to the front of the school, you see what class your child is in, and you go and meet the teacher. So this is a perfect way for the teachers to get to know their new students coming in for the new year. It's also perfect if you are hosting a back to school party, whether at a community, a venue, or even at home. And this is also perfect for the parents to include in the kids' lunch boxes if they're taking a lunch or as a snack when they go to school. So we are going to keep this video short. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut these papers out. I'm going to use my paper cutter so it won't take long, and then I'll come right back and I'll show you how to assemble these. Okay, so we have both of our styles cut out and ready to assemble. Now remember, this is a digital download. You don't get anything mailed to you. You download this and you assemble it yourself. And the good thing about it is you can download as many copies as you want to, from 1 to 1,000, totally up to you. Now I do recommend, what I like to use is the glossy brochure paper, but if you don't have that, or if you don't want to use it, you can use just regular copy or printer paper. We do a lot of different events for our clients, and so I just found that the brochure, the glossy brochure paper, definitely is pretty, and the colors come out more vibrant, but that's to me. So let's go ahead and let's talk about the assembly process. So I have found the easiest way to assemble these is, the first thing you want to do is just take your paper and give it a light crease, like on the, I would call this the left middle and right middle side. just so you'll know what you're working with. Don't give it like a big crease, but just somewhere as a starting point so you'll know where to place your goldfish crackers in. So I'm not creasing it all the way down, just enough so that when I turn it over, I will know where to place my goldfish crackers at. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and put my double-sided tape on, and we're only putting it on 3 sides, the top and the bottom, and then you can pick which flap that you like. So we're just going to put 1 strip at the top. We are going to turn it over and put 1 strip on the bottom. And then I'll always lift it up just to look. Like I said, it doesn't matter. So I'll put 1 strip along this side right here. Okay, so after we have that, we can go ahead and we can place our snack right in the middle. So we're just going to turn it around and put this face side down. And we're going to start with our sides first. So the side that you did not put a glue strip on, or whatever you're going to use to secure it with, you'll put that in first. And so now you're going to take that other side and try your best to line up the lines on this as best as possible so it'll look nice and neat. And you will, and I'm just lining up this, okay, and just kind of run your fingers straight down the middle and just press. So at this point, what you'll do is you'll pick it up and you will secure the bottom, and just start from the middle and kind of go out. You'll secure the bottom, then you're going to secure your top, and then you are going to turn around and look at it. Is that not the cutest? Is that not cute for teachers? And you can go in, if you have like a little crease or bubble, just go in and fix it. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to, if you have a paper crimper, we want to go ahead and crimp it. So just feed the paper through maybe like a couple of times on the top. And then we'll do it again on the bottom. Just run it through. And then you'll have what looks like this. Can you see the crimps? So that is so cute. And like I said, this is like the perfect little gift for the kids to get them excited about the new school year. Okay, so we are done, and I absolutely love the way these came out. You can set them up in a basket. You can also, if you're a teacher or you're hosting a party, you can put nice pencils and different favors like that out to go with it. It's totally up to you. But as I said before, we are offering these instant digital download files. So that means that as soon as you purchase these files, you will instantly be able to download it. Now, these are 2 separate files, so if you want the 2 different type of papers, you'll have to purchase the 2 different type of files. So we have the upper elementary notebook paper file that's more, I think maybe the 4th, 5th, and 6th graders maybe use, maybe even 3rd grade. And we also have the pre-K 1st and 2nd paper where they're starting to learn their letters and learning how to size their letters and words. And so I told you at the beginning that we are offering a special on these files. We're going to offer this special up until September the 7th. And you can get 25% off by using the code SCHOOL19. And I'll make sure that I put a link to each of these files. And I'll also make sure that I put the code in the description box. SCHOOL19 is the promotional code. And I'll also put the link. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also share it with your family and your friends, teachers, parents. And if you're not a subscriber, we will absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching. And until the next video, bye-bye.